Hi, I'm Jimmy Reed. I want to talk today about wholesale real estate. Now, for many of you who are interested in real estate, one thing stops you, and that's not having cash. So let me show you how to buy real estate wholesale. And what I mean to explain this to help you understand is, let's talk about garage sale real estate. I've written an article called Garage Sale Real Estate. It's the best way to explain how to buy real estate with no money. And that's what I like about wholesale. Wholesaling is not buying and holding. Wholesaling is buying a property and turning it very quickly without doing the rehab to the property and without having any cash. How does it work? Just like going to a garage sale. You go to a garage sale and let's say you find an item you like and it has what we call a retail price. This is the maximum value a property can be worth. Let's say it's a $100,000 house or a $100 coat. Doesn't matter. It's the retail value you'd pay brand new. But at a garage sale we buy things wholesale. We buy them below retail value. And that's our goal in real estate, and it's your goal at a garage sale. Now, what happens at a garage sale is you find this item, you know it's worth this much money, you know you can get it for this much money, so you reach in your wallet and you pull out some cash, transaction is done. Some of you've run into this situation. You reach in your wallet, you actually have no cash, so you tell them, wait, hold this asset, hold this property for me, hold this item. And then what you do is you run down to your local ATM, get some cash, come back, complete the transaction. Everything's great. But in real estate, you may not have that cash. So what do? You do it my way, garage sale real estate way. That is, you go to that homeowner, that person who has the house. You agree that you can buy this property below retail value. And we teach you in my trainings how to find those. Once you find this property that is below retail value, what you have is called equity. Equity is where you make money. Now what we do is we tell them, hey, we're going to buy this property, but we want you to hold it, okay? Hold this property maybe as long as 30, 45 days. So we put it under contract. Same thing that could happen at a garage sale, except usually you just say, hold this and I'll be back in an hour. Well, now we're saying, hey, Mr. Garage Sale person, hold this, let's put it in writing and give me 3 days to come back. Well, in real estate, we're asking for 30 days, sometimes 45, depending on the project and the time restraints we're looking for. So now that we've got this retail property that we're purchasing below retail value, we're buying it wholesale, we tie it up by using a real estate contract. We teach you how to fill those out and how to get those in our training. Now, once you get this contract filled out, you turn around and you make contact with investors who have cash. Plenty of investors in the marketplace that have cash. What you do is, let's say this $100,000 house, you've got it under contract for $60,000. You've come up with a great deal, just like at a garage sale. But now you go to your investor Joe and you say, Joe, I've got this $100,000 house and I'll let you have it for $70,000. Now remember, you're under contract for $60,000. Well, Joe has cash. Joe brings $70,000 to the closing. The transaction, $70,000 minus $60,000 to the seller who we're purchasing the property from, leaves $10,000. Guess who gets the $10,000? That's right, you do. You just made $10,000 with no money out of your own pocket. If you'd like to learn more on how to do this, check out jimmyreed.net and visit us, and then look at some of the trainings we have. We specialize in a lot of different trainings. Creative real estate, foreclosure, international investments. I've been doing this 22 years, and I started training people back in 1990. And I want to be able to help you succeed. So again, remember, jimmyreed.net to check out more of what we have to offer you.